Baby, that's not funny. After arriving at our property last week, we spent our first full week in Oregon tackling project after project. The first major development that happened ended up being the coolest one by far. Are you excited that you're getting power right now?
Kind of.
Kind of? What do you mean kind of?
It's distracting for work. We almost hit our... How close to park to the trailer out there?
Yeah. While we normally aren't hooked up to electricity and rely on our solar panels for power, our plans to spend the long, hot summer in Central Oregon convinced us to have power pulled to our property so that we could run our air conditioners throughout the summer. So it's supposed to be like 90 today, and we're both very excited to be able to have the air conditioner on, right? Baby, what you got
We
there?
have a power cord.
Why do you have a power cord?
Because we have power.
We have power? This is so exciting!
We don't have power.
What do you mean? Seriously?
Yeah.
What the heck? Seriously? Okay, we're gonna try the other plugins to see if they work. Because otherwise, maybe it's the electrician that needs to get back out here, huh? Oh my gosh. Seriously? You're gonna look in there and see if there's a breaker? Oh, yay! Silly you! Baby, that's not funny! That was funny.
We don't have power.
Really? Maybe there's a main? Post plug 1, 2.
Wait, RV plug. RV plug.
One's 30, one's 50.
Still no power. Oh, we'll just hit the wall. Power. All right.
You have power?
That's our main. And we're good.
Okay.
All right.
This
Give
is
us
so
learning stuff.
exciting.
Jeez Louise. Bunch of dum-dums.
And
All right.
we have power! We're gonna have air conditioning today. The cats are gonna be more excited than anybody today. Okay, so we are about to tackle some yard projects. We have a whole ton of rock.
Multiple times, I'm sure.
Multiple tons, right? Literally lots of rock piles. Here's one right here, as you can see. So lots of rock piles that we need to figure out what to do with. We're borrowing our neighbor's tractor, and we're going to work on moving these rock piles.
What are you doing?
I'm going to drive a tractor.
Why? Wait. We should have asked if women are allowed to drive the tractor.
That's not fair. Driving a tractor.
Putting the rocks around to reinforce the different sides.
Finished product. Why are you moving rocks?
Because apparently our whole property is made out of rocks.
So why are you moving them?
I'm making it pretty.
Lining all the gravel with rocks?
Yeah.
Nice. Can I help you?
Uh-huh.
No? Will you teach me?
Sure.
Cool. So we did about 2 hours worth of rock slinging, and I think it looks really good. Look at the driveway. Totally lined. Looks so much better than it did. We have this long trenchway that leads to the road from where they put in the underground electrical line. So we just were like, good Lord, this is ugly, and we want to do something with it so it's not just this big dirt pit for the whole summer. So we're gonna put in this whole area right here, we're gonna do the flower beds. We got some wood. First start of our raised beds, huh?
Yeah.
Exciting stuff.
So excited.
What we got in there?
Got wood.
You got wood?
Got wood. Got some screws.
Wooden screws?
Got some
Wooden screws or wood and screws?
wood and screws.
Oh, it's a good thing you didn't get wooden screws.
No.
There we go. All the tools, well, all the stuffs we need. I think this is the setup that we want to have. We're getting this truck back here in random places so that we can not have to haul a bunch of soil a long ways. Jason's got the easy job, and I'm just gonna stand here and, you know, record and look pretty and rake. I love you, baby. Thank you for your hard work. Okay, so we ran out of soil, so we just got back and got another yard and just filled them up. So that's the 3 of them. We just filled up our 4 pots over here. We're gonna move those around in a minute. And now we have quite a bit left. We're gonna figure out where we're putting it. All right, y'all, we have finished our pots. Look at that, yeah. It was hard work. Clearly. Good job, baby. Nice work, love. High five. Yeah, yeah. That's a lot done in 1 week. I think we have all the seeds for the first flower bed in. Now I need to water it. And that's going to be a challenging part because we don't have water here. That system, setting it up from the outside shower, it's gonna work perfect. Hopefully, we'll have some flowers in this front bed in no time. If you missed our arrival at our property, be sure to watch the video about it here.